Welcome to Mindfully Stoic, a channel dedicated to increasing mindfulness through the lens of the ancient philosophy of Stoicism. Today's session will strictly be on breath work, specifically on a method called box breathing. This method is really easy to remember and easy to use throughout your day when you need to calm your body and mind. Box breathing is when you inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 more seconds, and repeat. If you have difficulty with 4 seconds, you can modify it to 2 or 3 seconds per step. Just know that each bar or measure of the metronome is 4 seconds long. Now let's begin. Start by finding a comfortable position and relax your body and close your eyes. Release any tension that you are experiencing in your neck, face, shoulder, or back. Relax the muscles of your arms, legs, hands, and feet. Feel your heartbeat as it starts to slow down. Now pay attention to your breath. Notice the air flowing in and out of your body. When thoughts arise throughout this practice, there is no need to judge them. Simply observe your thoughts and return to the breath. Just like doing reps with physical exercise, returning to the breath after your mind wanders is a rep for mental exercise. Now focus on the metronome. During each bar or measure, we will either breathe in, hold, or breathe out. Let's practice together. Breathe in, hold, breathe out, hold, breathe in, hold, breathe out, hold, breathe in, hold, breathe out, hold, breathe in, hold, breathe out, hold. Now practice on your own. Again, your mind might start to wander, but you can anchor yourself back to the present moment by focusing on the breath or the sound of the metronome. Thanks for listening to this guided meditation on box breathing. Remember, you can use the simple method anytime you feel stressed or anxious. I appreciate your efforts on becoming more mindful. Thank you for listening to Mindfully Stoic.